Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if the top part of your iPhone screen is blurry. Now the first fix, what you need to do is go to settings and then go to display and brightness. Now from here, if you see that bold text is enabled, all you need to do is tap here to disable it and see if the problem is gone. If not, and if you have the bold text disabled, then try enabling it and then disabling it again to see if the problem is gone. Now the next fix is also here. If you have the light mode enabled, all you need to do is just select dark mode and then see if the problem is gone. If it is gone, then you can go back to light mode again and you should be good to go. But if any of these did not solve the issue, then what you can do is just press and hold the volume up key and the power key at the same time and then slide to turn it off, and then after a few minutes just turn on your phone again, and after the restart your phone should be good to go. I hope at least one of these fixes was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.